After watching this video, I bet you are not ever going to make your muffins any other way, because this recipe is the best way to make muffins. It is flourless, it is sugarless, no additives, all natural, rich and healthy. You will enjoy this. Just watch the video to the end and learn how to do it. Meanwhile, click a like, leave a comment and subscribe if you have not. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma, GGM. Today I am going to show you how to make these yummy muffins at home. If you have up to 8 ripe bananas in your house right now, just get to work. Get to work and let's make these muffins together. The first step is to peel and mash the ripe bananas. You can use a masher. Here I am using a fork. So you can use a banana masher or potato masher to mash the ripe bananas. When you have mashed them and you have like a banana puree, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also use hazelnut butter if you don't like peanut butter, or almond butter. Depends on your choice. Just like I said, the most important thing is for you to use butter. Mix very well with the puree. I have to fight hard to resist the temptation of eating this already. It looks and smells so good. Now you divide the mixture into half. In one part, add chocolate powder. Mix very well and then set aside. Even as I am making this, it looks yummy already. Then in the other half, add some blueberry, because you now remember that we are making blueberry and chocolate muffin. Like I said earlier, this muffin is flourless and sugarless. So if you're watching your weight or trying to lose some extra fats, this muffin is for you. Now you spray the muffin mold with some oil and then pour the muffins into the mold and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and you have your yummy non-flour, non-sugar, non-baking powder muffins. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.